Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall software or application on Ubuntu. Click Show Application. Type Ubuntu software on search bar. Click Install tab. Click your application. Click Remove. Click Remove. Type your system password. Click Authenticate. Zoom client uninstalled successfully. Second method is type terminal in application search bar. Sudo space su. Type administrator password. Type dpkg space -- list. I want to uninstall Zoom application. Sudo space apt - get space purge space Zoom. Type Y to continue. Zoom uninstalled successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.